Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivra Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 6, the junk seller, and today's topic is money. Okay students, now let's start. Question number 3. Dear students, please open page number 39. Page number 39. Now let's start question number 3. Question number 3 is find the product in two easier ways. Find the product in two easier ways. Okay students, in question number 3 of A is here given that 50 multiplied by 9. 50 multiplied by 9. Okay. In your book, here given that 2 box. In this box, here we can solve 2 ways. For solving the product of given number. Okay, understand? Okay, look at here carefully. This one, firstly we have to take 5 multiply by 9. 5 9 ja 45. Therefore here we can take 45. Okay, and here given that 50. Therefore we can write 50 into 9. Here given that 10. Therefore we can take 10, and again we have to take this 45 as same. Understand? Therefore here we get 450. Understand? It means that firstly we have to take 5 into 9, then we get 5 9 ja 45. Okay, then again we can write 50 into 9, because in this 50 here given that 0, therefore we can take 0 as same, and again 5 9 ja 45. Again here we can write 45 as the same of this number. Okay, understand? And the second way is, okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that 50 into, this is here given that 9. We know that this 9 is nearest as 10. Okay, therefore we can take the multiplication by 10 in this 50. Okay students, because 9 is nearest 10. Okay students, therefore we can take the multiplication of 50 by 10. Understand? We are given that 0 0. It means that here given that 2 0. Therefore we can take 2 0 as same, and 5 1 ja 5. 5 1 ja 5. After multiplying these, here we get 500. Okay, then again we can write 50 into this 9. 50 into 9. We know that 50 into 9 is equal to 50 into, this one we can write 10 minus 1 in place of 9. Okay, 10 minus 1 in place of 9. Therefore 50 into, therefore here we can write 50 into 10, 50 into 10 minus 50 into 1, 50 into 1. Okay, students, here given that 50 into 10 is equal to 500, then here we can write 500 minus 50 into 1, 51 is 50. Okay, students, after subtracting these, here we get the answer of this question. Okay, look at here carefully. 500 minus 50, 0 minus 0 is 0, here given that 0, here 5, here we have to take 1 borrow from this 5 and this 0 makes 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, here we can, here we get 4 in place of 5, 4, here we can take 4 as same. Okay, after subtracting these, here we get 450. Okay, distance, and here we get 450. It means that this is the correct answer. Okay, similarly we can solve all given questions. Okay, distance, now is this. Now let's start second questions. Question number 3 of B. Question number 3 of B. In this question here given that 19 into 40, 19 into 40. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Nineteen into 40. Distance, firstly we can write in this box 19 into 4. Okay, after multiplying these, here we get 4 9 is 36, 4 9 is 36, of 6 carry 3, yes, 4 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, students, again we can take 90 into 40. It means that here we get 0, therefore here we can take 0, and 19 4 is 76, here we can write 76. Okay, then the answer of 600, then the answer of 760. Okay, here we get the answer of this question is 760. Again, listeners, we know that 90 is 19, here given the 19, we know that 19 is equal to 20 minus 1. It means that here we can write 20 minus 1 in place of 19. Okay, therefore we can take the multiplication of 20 by 40 is equal to 0 0. Here given that 2 0, therefore we can take 2 0 as same, and 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8. Okay, okay, distance, look, here we can write 20 minus 1, 20 minus 1 in place of 19. Okay, it means that firstly we can write the given questions. It means that 19 into 40 is equal to, here we can write 20 minus 1 in place of 19 into 40. Okay, after multiplying these, we get 40 into 20. It means that 20 into 40 minus 1 into 40. After multiplying these, here we get 20 into 40 is equal to 800. 20 into 40 is equal to 800. Therefore, here we can write 890 minus 41 is 40. Okay. After subtracting these, here we get the answer of this question. It means that here given that 800 minus 40. Just now look at here carefully. 0 minus 0 is 0. Here given that 0, here 4. We know that 0 is less than 4. Therefore, we can take one borrow from this 8 and this 0 makes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And here we get 7. Therefore, we can take 7 as same. Okay. Then the answer is 760. This and this are same. Therefore, the answer of this question is 760. Okay. Question number 3 of C. Here given that 19 into 60. Distance question number 3 of C. 19 into 60. Do it yourself. In math homework, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, students. Now read this. Dear students, please open. Please open page number 40. Question number 4. Calculate mentally and write the answer. Calculate mentally and write the answers. Okay, students. In this question, I have 5 parts. Look at here carefully. Here given that question number 4 of A is cost of 1 pen is rupees 50, rupees 15. Cost of 1 pen is rupees 15. Cost of 10 such pens is rupees what? Rupees how many? Okay, students. Look at here carefully. In this question, here given that the cost of 1 pen is equal to 15 rupees. Then the cost of 10 such pens is equal to, listen, if we have to take the multiplication of 15 by 10, then where we can here we get the answer of this question. Okay. It means that here we can take the multiplication of rupees 15 by 10. 15 10 is 150. This is the answer of this questions. Understand? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Look, in question number 4 of B is, in question number 4 of B is, Hari sells one packet of apple apples for rupees 250. How much money will he get if he sells 30 packets of apple? 30 packets of apples. Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question, here given that Hari sells one packet of apple for rupees 250. Okay, students, then how much money will he get if he sells 30 packet of biscuits, 30 packets of apples? Okay, students, if we have to take the multiplication of rupees 250 by 30, then we get the answer of this question. It means that if we have to take the multiplication of 250 and 30 packets, then we get the answer of this question. After multiplying these, here we get, look at here carefully, here given that 20, therefore we can take 20 as same. Okay, again we have to take the multiplication of 25 by 3, 3 5 is 15 of 5, carry 1, 3 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay, friends, after solving these we get 700, here we get 7,500. Understand? Then 7,500 rupees is the answer of this question. The answer of this question is 7,500 rupees. Okay, students, now read this. Now let's start question number 4 of C. Question number 4 of C is, here given that if 96 multiplied by 5 is equal to 480, then 960 multiplied by 50 is equal to how many? Look, distance, here given that 96 and here given that 96, here given that 5, here given that 5. Therefore, firstly we have to write this, it means that 480. And distance, look at here carefully, here given that 10, 20. Okay, therefore we can take 20 at same, then the answer is 48,000. Understand? Similarly, we can solve all questions of this type. Okay, look, question number 4 of D is, if 85 multiplied by 50 is equal to 44,250, then 850 multiplied by 500 is equal to how many? Let's look at here carefully. Here given that 85, here given that 85, here given that 50, and here given that 50. Okay, then then firstly we can write 42 and 50, it means that 4250 as same, and here we get 10 and 20, okay. Therefore we can write here 20 as same, then the answer is 4,25,000, okay. Dear students, look at here carefully. In this question here given that 20, therefore we can take 20 as same. If we have to take the multiplication of 5 by in 96, then here we get 480, okay. Add this type, understand. Now let's start question number E. Cost of one pair of shoes is rupees 250. Cost of 5 such pairs of shoes is dash dash dash. Distance, look at here carefully. The cost of one pair of shoes is rupees 250, okay. Then the cost of 5 such pairs of shoes is distance. If we have to take the multiplication of 250 by 5, okay, after solving these we get the answer of this question, okay. Look at here carefully. 5 0 is 0, 5 5 is 25 of 5 carry 2, 5 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12, okay. Distance, after solving these here we get 1,250 rupees, okay. This is the answer of this question, okay. Distance, please write these questions in your maths book. If any student have doubt, please ask me on my WhatsApp number, okay. Thank you.